Hi everyone, welcome back to Blessings from the Garden. My name is Soraya and we are harvesting today, April 24th, 2025. So we're getting our groceries from our own living food pantry. So that's one way to beat inflation is to grow your own food. And we just harvest the cabbage head. This is some amaranth. We're going to take some red one. In Jamaica, we know them as carlo, but you guys know it as amaranth. So grow your own food to beat inflation. Food prices are going up, and with the tariff war, man, we're going to be in a pickle. So grow your own food. Okay, guys? Let's go and continue to harvest some other stuff. Getting these so these can branch out some more. Look at the color on these. We have our first cayenne pepper, a red one. So let me just take it. We have been trying to grow this pepper for the longest while. Look how long it is. For the longest while, guys, our first cayenne pepper. So we allow this one to turn red as well. And there's some other buds on the plant. But this is our first cayenne pepper of this, well, since we have been growing. We have been trying to grow cayenne peppers for the longest while. All right. Look at Stacy's friend. Hello. All right, I'm going to take this kohlrabi. It has been growing for a while. I think it's time to harvest. Not sure how to harvest it, but I'm just going to cut it from here. Never eaten this one before, so we tell you about it. I think it's supposed to be a round bulb, but I'm not sure what is going on with this one, but we're going to try it. I'm taking these beetroots. They're not going to get any bigger. We've been growing these for a while in here. But we're saving a lot of money by growing our own food. And we are encouraging you to start a garden one container at a time. Because as you can see, food prices are getting sky high. Okay, so these are some lettuces coming up in the container. We had some lettuces here. They went to seed. Seed fell in the container. And now they have sprouted. Look at them all over. All right. So this is one other way to combat food prices. So you can save seeds and the cycle continues. The growing cycle continues. Always growing some food. Right, getting these greens. Need to top dress this soil, so I just getting these ones and we'll top dress this soil. So I think this is a broccoli or cauliflower, one of those plants. Cauliflower, yes. By the looks of it, it's a cauliflower plant. So we need to top dress this container. So we'll add these to our soup later on. So we're going to take this leek out and add it to our soup this evening as well. This is pretty massive. I'm not sure. I don't think these parts are edible. But we're going for what's down here. Wow. Nice onion smell. Okay. Pretty good. Alright, nice onion smell. It's in the onion family. So we're going for this part right here, from here to here. Not sure if it's ready to be harvested, but we're trying it. You can tell us in the comments. You can talk to us in the comments about this. Alright, it's not looking too shabby. We'll add this to our soup. Alright, we have a tomato here. I'm going to take it before the birds get to it and let it finish rotting in the house. Pretty aroma tomato. We have more blossoms on, so hopefully these will give us some new tomatoes. This is our haul for today. Very small one, but effective because we save a lot of money on these leeks. I'm not sure if leeks have ever been grown in Jamaica. A tomato, cabbage, kohlrabi, compact choice, green amaranth, red amaranth, our beetroots. These are, even though they're still small, they are very rich. And what else? I'm looking for the cayenne pepper, the one single cayenne pepper that we harvested, our first ever cayenne pepper. Alright, so a lot of food here, small space gardening, but a very big impact. And this is one way to beat inflation. Alright, so you're encouraged to start that garden one container at a time. We will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.